imagine if we walked in there and said, "Excuse me, sir, can you show me where the closest strippers would be?" Hello, internet people. Welcome to the car. We have one of those now.
Hello.
Hello. Too much sandwich to say hello? Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and as you guys can see, we are in the parking lot right now. We're actually in the parking lot of a home improvement store because we are here to get some plants for the garden and grass trimmy thingy. What is it called again?
Weed whacker in the US. It's called a
scrimmer? Shimmer? Strimmer?
I can't remember.
Stripper? No.
It's not stripper. We're gonna buy a stripper today.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine if we walked in there and said, "Excuse me, sir, can you show me where the closest strippers would be?" That would be great. But, anyways, eating sandwiches in the car. Yep, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We are eating sandwiches in the car because eating out is a little more expensive than I would like in the UK, and we were just leaving the house, and I thought we wouldn't be eating for a while, but we're hungry, so we're having our hummus sandwiches because it's the easiest thing. I have hummus and not cheddar and burnt some pickle because I'm disgusting apparently, and I'm the only one in the house who likes it, and it's really yummy. The boys have, what do you have? Hummus?
Hummus and spinach and mayo.
Yeah, vegan mayo. I wanted it to stick a little bit better. What do you think of that sandwich, dude? Is it good? You like it?
No.
So that's what we're gonna do. I figured I haven't vlogged in a couple of weeks, so it's not gonna be that interesting, I don't think, but I figured, you know what, I might as well just take you guys along for the ride. You guys can watch us buy a strimmer or a stripper, whatever you call it, and some plants. And after this, I think we're gonna go to another nursery, and then maybe I'll give you guys a little garden tour when it's done. We'll see.
Mama, I am tired.
You're doing a great job. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay, let's go that way first. Yeah. It's just me, or does ironmongery sound like a lot more intense than ironwork? Okay, let's find ourselves a stripper, or whatever they call it. Does it look like a stripper? No. I think we found the stripper section. Alright, mister, how much is it?
29 pounds. 29.75 pounds.
Huh, sounds cheap. Let's get it. I don't know, should we get the more expensive one? I don't know anything about how these things work. Wish us luck. Can't decide. I came for some veggie plants and also some flowers for the front garden. I just can't decide which ones I want. I really wanted white vinca or white impatiens, but I don't see any of those, so kind of sad, not gonna lie. Like, they have them, but like the ones I see are looking like really sick, so I just don't know what I want to do. So far though, I got our grass clipper and a couple of orchids, if I can find pots for them. If not, I'll put them back, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Play a game called Where's My Kid? There's my kid. I don't know where's your daddy. Where's your daddy? Go look for him. He's somewhere, I don't know. Okay, we're back in the car again. Always a fun time. And I have a serious case of the mask nose. It's not that cute. Anyways, we just left Homebase, and they didn't have most stuff that I wanted, which was really sad. So we're gonna have to go to the plant nursery if it's still open. Hopefully it's still open, it should be. We also made a little pit stop at Morrison's, which is usually where we order our groceries from. But since it was right next door, I realized I'd never actually been in the store, so we popped in and bought a whole bunch of stuff. It's all back there. Because I didn't plan on going to the supermarket, I didn't bring any reusable bags except for one that I usually keep in my handbag, so yeah, that was fun. So we gotta pop back to the house now to drop off the groceries, and then we're gonna head out to the plant nursery. So, yay! Mister, did you have fun at the supermarket?
Yeah, I'm really happy that the prices are quite cheap. I really love Morrison's. It's not a video supported by Morrison's, but the prices beat Costco all the time.
I mean, if anyone from Morrison's is watching, I would be open to a sponsorship collaboration, just saying, so.
Yeah.
Take us. I hope this video is interesting. I didn't film as much as I wanted to inside, but the supermarket was just chaos on a Saturday afternoon, so noted. And honestly, it kind of reminded me why I started doing grocery delivery, because supermarket shopping with a little guy is stressful, and there's really no reason to go out and battle the crowds when you can just pay a few pounds a month and have them delivered to your house. So yeah, let's go drop off some grocery. Now we're at the Royal Garden Center. Gotta get some royal plants. I assume the royal plants, technically, babe? If we're at the Royal Garden Center, they'd be royal plants?
No, maybe. Makes sense.
I don't know. Almost everything in this country seems royal in some way, like the mail is royal, which I get it, but I just think it's funny. It's royal. From American perspective, it's funny. Anyway, okay, so they have like everything here. Shrubs, plants, trees, vegetables, fruits. Plenty of rocks you can get into your shoes, you know, that kind of thing. Always an adventure. So we are here for vegetable plants and decorative front garden plants. So we will see, I don't know, what happens. What is it?
A bee.
There's a bee? Why is the bee in there?
Flowers.
He's eating the flower?
I know.
Yeah, kinda, yeah, he technically, I guess he is eating the flower. He's definitely eating out of the flower. Well, we were semi-successful. Hey guys, so we just got back from the great, hey pups!
Hey,
I know, you tried to escape, didn't he? What happened? Yeah, I put Don't Watch on the leash because he tried, well, not run away. I think he tried to chase the neighbor's cat again. But the other day, he literally chased the neighbor's cat all the way to the end of the street. And then when I went to go get him, he just looked proud of himself. Anyways, it's a little windy. I hope you guys can hear me. But we just got back from our little plant shopping escapade. We went to literally 4 places because they didn't have the plants that we wanted. And I'm just more than mildly annoyed. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys all the plants that we got. I brought most of them into the house already, but these ones are gonna go into the front garden over here where my sunflowers are. And it's just 2 little flats of petunias. I got a flat of white petunias and a flat of thyme. Pink ones. Oh, you're gonna rearrange it? Good job. Wow. You're better at this than I am. What's in our fridge? The whole store. And then I got 2 basil plants that I'm gonna plant outside that I got from the supermarket. These are all the rest of the plants. I've got an aubergine plant right there, which is like an eggplant in American English. I think it's a kabocha squash. I'm not actually sure, but I think it's supposed to be like it looks like a Japanese pumpkin to me, but I hope I'm right. If not, that's okay. Got 2 courgette plants, aka zucchini. 2 cucumber plants. This is like a long cucumber plant, and that's supposed to be like a small cucumber, like the kind you'd use for like pickling. And then this plant here, I think is an acorn squash, but I'm not exactly sure which is which. We'll see what happens when they grow. And then here is another courgette. It's just like a striped courgette. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I also got 2 packets of beans that we're gonna plant, and hopefully we'll be able to plant everything in there. And I already have potatoes right there and some tomatoes over here. So yeah, we will see what happens. Hey there again. So as you guys can see, it's a lot darker outside now, but little man and I spent the last, I would say, hour or so putting all the plants into the garden and putting up the little no dog fence. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because I'm kind of proud of it, not gonna lie. There is a basil plant there. It's all beat down now, but it'll be okay, I think, once it gets a chance to like revive. We sprayed a little too much water on it. We got 4 tomato plants. These 2 are something called Shirley tomato plants, and then these 2 are some kind of heirloom tomato plant my neighbor gave me. I don't know what they're called. And here we've got another basil plant that also is kind of beat down, and 2 cucumber plants. That's like little pickling cucumbers, and that one's supposed to be the longer, like standard size ones that you got. And then I have a courgette plant here, or a zucchini plant. That's the honeysuckle, and I didn't put anything in front of the honeysuckle because I didn't want to have to share the root systems. And then another courgette plant. And then here I've got a stripy courgette plant. I showed it to you guys earlier. And an acorn squash plant. And a Japanese pumpkin squash plant. And my little eggplant plant. Hopefully it will grow. I don't know. I like aubergines. I hope that grows. I'm between each of the plants, we'll put one black bean and one green bean, just to kind of see if they would come up, if they would do anything. I figured, why the heck not? And then on this side of the garden, we've got, I don't even actually know what this is, but it's a cool looking potted plant that was here when we moved in. And I just started watering it, so maybe it'll grow, I don't know. And then 2 tomato plants. They're supposed to be cherry tomatoes. They're called Moneymaker. The lady at the store said they're supposed to be about this big, so we'll see what happens. And here we have, it's a Veronica flower. It's not doing very well, but my neighbor gave to me. I'll see if I can get it to grow. And I think that this plant is a strawberry plant, but I'm not actually sure. But it does have like a little flower on it. I found it in the garden, I saved it. I don't know, we'll see what happens. And then these is my little herb garden. It's not how I want it to look right now. I want to put these like in a nicer arrangement, but whatever. I have a mint plant here. I actually don't know what kind of mint it is. I think it's, I don't know, spearmint. It doesn't look like peppermint, so I think it's spearmint. Or it just said garden mint on it, so I don't know. If you know what that is, tell me. And some thyme that has seen better days because some little peoples keep overwatering it. And flat leaf parsley, another basil plant, chives that again, for the same reason, a little bit beat down, but they still taste fine. They're just kind of weird shaped. And then I have a dill plant that smells really good. I've been putting it with lots and lots of noodles, and a coriander plant that honestly isn't doing very well. I don't know what I did wrong, but I don't know. Cilantro plant SOS. Next day front garden update. I already had the little baby sunflowers in the back, and then today I just put in little petunias. And there they are. I know those 2 don't have flowers yet, but the people at the garden center said that they would, so hopefully we'll have some pretty flowers in a couple of weeks. So yeah, that's a little garden tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun making it. I think I'm gonna get to the front garden tomorrow or the next day, and I guess I'll add footage of that after. So yeah, that's the end of the little video. I know that it was short, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll give you guys a little more of an update about what's going on at some point. Maybe if you're interested, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.